Hey everyone, ready to cool down with some frozen vegan treats? Today, we're talking all about vegan ice creams and sorbets. Smooth, creamy, refreshing, and 100% dairy-free. Whether it's hot outside or you're just in the mood for a sweet, chilly snack, these vegan wonders are perfect any time of year. Let's dig in. So, a little fun fact for you. Vegan ice cream has actually been around since the 1800s. Back then, people experimented with frozen desserts made from fruit and sugar water, which is basically the first sorbet. Fast forward to the 21st century, and plant-based ice cream has become a huge trend as more people are ditching dairy for health, environmental, and ethical reasons. And trust me, the options today are better than ever. All right, let's talk ingredients. You might be wondering how we get that creamy ice cream texture without cow's milk. The answer? Non-dairy milk. Almond, coconut, soy, and oat milk are some of the most popular bases for vegan ice cream. Coconut milk, in particular, gives you that extra creamy texture. And for sweeteners, you've got things like maple syrup, agave, or even dates to keep things natural. The cool thing about vegan ice cream and sorbet? The flavor possibilities are endless. You've got classics like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, but there's also some really creative options out there. Think flavors like salted caramel, matcha green tea, or even peanut butter chocolate chunk. And when it comes to sorbets, the fruitier, the better. Mango, raspberry, lemon, and even exotic flavors like passion fruit. If you love fresh, bold flavors, sorbet is your go-to. Now, if you're looking for the best places to try vegan ice cream, you're in for a treat. In Los Angeles, Salt and Straw is famous for its creative vegan flavors that will blow your mind. Over in Brooklyn, Van Leeuwen has a whole range of plant-based ice creams, and they've expanded to other locations too. If you're ever in Miami, you've got to check out Dasher and Crank, where their vegan offerings are always rotating with unique flavors. So there you have it. Vegan ice creams and sorbets that are just as delicious and indulgent as their dairy-filled cousins. Whether you're scooping up a rich, creamy coconut-based ice cream or digging into a light, fruity sorbet, you'll never miss the dairy. Next time you're craving something frozen, why not go for a vegan option? Cool, tasty, and cruelty-free. It doesn't get better than that. But before that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button.